Biophysicists study how cells respond to signals, and scientific communities need to stay connected as well. We are joined by Biophysical Society President Lynmarie Thompson to talk about the Society's priorities this year and what it offers its members. Good to see you again.
Nice to see you.
So now you're just finishing an entire year of being president. What did you focus on throughout the year? What stood out?
So this year I've focused a lot on scientific communication to the general public, which is super important right now and really anytime. And I'm trying to raise the priority of that in people's minds so that people consider it more a part of their everyday jobs to communicate more with the general public about their work so that people understand the process of science and that science is done by real people. And also sort of include that in their training of students. And I'm super excited about two events on Sunday. There's going to be the President Symposium is about communicating the value of biophysics in a changing world. And then we're going to have a workshop on storytelling because scientists have to learn how to tell stories in engaging ways to the public who aren't necessarily as interested in seeing a graph of the data, but are more interested in hearing an anecdote about what this is going to do or what are the consequences.
And it's important to continue to get the message out. Absolutely. It's interesting. Your work studies how cells sense and respond to signals, and there are parallels within the scientific community function in staying connected. Explain that.
So science societies and biophysical society especially are very diverse. So we are an international society. We have people doing very interdisciplinary work from biology to physics, chemistry, everything in between. We study hard problems, and to do that, the best way is to integrate many, many different approaches. And so it's that diversity, which is really our superpower. We integrate lots of different perspectives, and that lets us solve hard problems. And so that is something that cells do as well. They integrate signals from many different inputs, and they use that information to then decide what to do. And so back to my research, I look at bacterial chemotaxis, where bacteria collect some information from the environment about what molecules are out there and decide, okay, they're going to swim in this direction because there's more sugar in that direction, for example. And so they do that actually with this really beautiful interconnected, actually connected array of proteins. And it's got lots of symmetry, which makes it lovely. And it's super effective. It helps the bacteria survive. And similarly, scientific societies, when they keep people connected, it helps the science and it helps us thrive in our careers.
And motivate one another and stay connected in what each other are doing, because it's profound, groundbreaking work is what it is, I think about the students that are early stages of their career, the research level, the brand new students to the industry as a whole. Why is the society so important for them to be a part of?
So the annual meeting is really a terrific experience for students and for everybody. But for students, I guess what I really hope that they get from the annual meeting is inspiration to come and learn and be inspired with new ideas, either for their project or for some direction they might take in the future as a postdoc or in their career. And also connection to make some contacts with people that they might collaborate with or learn from or just be friends with. We make lifelong friends here. We see them year after year at the conference. And so I really hope that the students and everybody takes home inspiration and connection from the meeting.
And how has this benefited you throughout your career?
So coming to the annual meeting is inspiring for all of us to do this science that we really believe in. And it's always been, for me, such a great source of ideas and inspiration and connection. I've made lifelong friends at the meeting. I've gotten ideas that have helped my work as well. And so it's just really, the Biophysical Society is my scientific home.
And we are, as humans, meant to be connected. We're meant to connect with one another. So this is a perfect environment for everyone to do such thing.
Yes.
Well, thank you for your year of service. And thank you for joining me here today.
It's been my pleasure. Thank you.